In this video, we will be unboxing the Apple Pencil Pro, and we will use this Apple Pencil with this iPad. But before that, we will be applying the Spygen paper touch gloss so that this gives us a paper-like feel when we write or when we use the Apple Pencil Pro with iPad Pro. So let us go ahead and apply the screen protector first. It's made by Spygen. We have some accessories in here. Let's first clean the iPad Pro. So we'll first clean this. We will remove the dust, if any. Then we need to remove this film from the back side. And this is the charging point direction. We'll directly place it above the iPad screen. After waiting for about 30 seconds, then we need to remove it from here and then pull it off. We have some bubbles out here. We can push them aside. Now let's go ahead and unbox the Apple Pencil. This is the paperwork. We have special gestures in Apple Pencil Pro, and it has also a Find My support. Let's go ahead and attach it to the iPad. So we have a list of gestures over here. Your Apple Pencil Pro unlocks a whole new iPad OS experience, letting you annotate, draw, mark up, and edit in the apps you use every day. We have keys. Lightest keys to Apple Pencil Pro to access the tools you need. We have search tools with a gesture. We have Scribble, easy capture screenshots, and all these things I will be covering in a separate video. This is how it shows the different gestures work. Let's continue, and it has also a Find My support. Add Apple Pencil. It may take a while. So this type of screen protector gives you the paper-like feel when you write with your Apple Pencil on the iPad Pro. It feels as if you are writing on a on a paper. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. And as usual, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel to know more about Apple products.